Hey, it's Dr. Ron, and today I'd like to talk about personal growth. Everything that we do is really related to personal growth. Everything that we talk about, all the ideas about the mental health gym, rejuvenating, and so on, is a reflection of the fact that we're growing, evolving people. I like to think in terms of the fact that we're all a work in progress. And if we can embrace that idea, then that can simplify a lot of things in our lives. For one thing, it can help us to uh, deal with shortcomings. You can't expect to be perfect with everything that you try if you're a work in progress. If your life is a process, we're going to be making adjustments all the way through. And just like we can't picture that everything that we are successful at is a definition of the fact that we won't ever be unsuccessful, by the same token, if we make a mistake, if we fall short, and so on, that's no indication that we are doomed to not be successful or to not right the ship. I think the attitude of being in a process, of being a work in progress, is really a key element of the growth mindset. It's really a key element of enabling us to get from here to here, to meet our goals, to not lose sight of our goals just because we have setbacks. It's a pretty simple notion when you think about it, but the notion of being a work in progress is something that underlies all of our behavior. Uh, I know when I get overloaded at times, or when I feel that I've hit a brick wall or something in something that I'm doing, I might mention to my wife, geez, it's so hard to be me. I don't get much sympathy from her because of the fact that she knows that this is a path that I've chosen, and I've chosen the pitfalls along the way, or I've chosen to acknowledge the pitfalls along the way, as well as the really positive things that happen. So I invite you to think in those same terms. Whatever you're doing, whatever challenges you may face, recognize that with very, very few exceptions, you're not doing something that is guaranteed to be 100% successful and is almost always guaranteed to have some setbacks, some roadblocks, some challenges along the way. Embrace it because you're a work in progress. Take care. It's Dr. Ron. Looking forward to talking with you again.